Okay, Williams, Philippines. Uh, I might have got this thing fixed. We're going to find out. Uh, this little Chewy has been a real pain in the butt for being, yeah. I think I've got it going. I'm not sure. Anyway, it is about 4:09 p.m. on Thursday, January 23rd, 2024. Been trying to listen to and take care of a few things. Made a few phone calls. Uh, yeah. It is such fun having to deal with, oh yeah, all the craziness here. The phones all the time ringing off the hook for, yeah, telemarketers for healthcare. It is what it is. Anyway, I think I've got this computer working. It's not set up the way I like it, but I'm checking to see if this is working, and it seems to be. It hasn't restarted this time, at least. We'll see. Whole bunch of fun. Anyway, had to grumble at Suddenlink. Well, they changed their name again. Optimum or something like that. Internet. Yeah, I'm not much on them. Uh, the company that they came from or before, or whatever you want to call it, has been pretty much a lousy company for years. And yeah, I'm just tired of them. It's. I don't need these headaches. Yeah. Anyway, yeah, having to get the. Sorry, it's 4 in the afternoon. I'm supposed to already be done with this. I should already be asleep, but between trying to get this taken care of, get a couple other things taken care of, and talk to them about my billing on my internet, it's been sneaking back up, slowly but surely. Don't get me wrong, they've upped me from basically the little plan I had when I started, $20 a month, and was getting the 100 meg. Actually, I think it was 20 meg back then. 20 meg for $20. I've had this connection a while. And then I kicked it off and kicked it back on, and I tried to go with a satellite, and then tried to go with one of those direct beam to a tower, and yeah, been back to this, and they upped it to 100 for $20, and then it's been going up even further. Now it's 200, and they want $45 on this one, and it's like it's just not worth it. They got me down to 30. Quote. We'll see. Yeah, I don't use a lot of internet speed. Don't have to have, you know, all this stuff. And hey, if I'm going to be paying 45, I might as well just go ahead and get the fiber optic at the way fast stuff, which I don't need. Yeah, it is what it is. But yes, the router connection is it's more of a limit for mine here than my 200 meg, and I actually get fairly decent on that. Uh, yeah, not bashful about it. It actually connects fairly decent for what I need. But they keep trying to jack the price up. Hey, I can always just snatch the wire off and throw it in the alleyway and let them deal with it. But yeah, I don't know about y'all, but I'm tired of having to deal with internet company that's all the time trying to change my price, trying to upgrade me, and then charge me for upgrading me when I didn't want any of it to start with. Yeah. But yeah, basically I've been here now, well, 19 years in this house. So, yeah. I still don't use a lot of internet. Even with me uploading this, I ain't worried about it going that fast. There's other things. Oh, sorry, I got hiccups and feel like I got something caught in my throat. Even with this uploading this internet YouTube, I've got other things to go do. I ain't worried about it being done in 5 seconds. Everybody in a rush. Me, I could care less. I'm not doing gaming, so it's not that important. Yeah. Maybe if it was I was still into gaming, I would worry about it, but I'm not. I gave that up, and having to have the fastest screaming eagle thing going on. Nope, don't need it. All I need is a good steady connection that connects, and I can upload and download. Don't get me wrong, they've upgraded me to the point that I'm way faster than what I need. And it's just me, so it's not like everything's operating at once. About the biggest draw I have on here is when I actually decide to, oh yeah, turn everything on and go and hit update on all of them as I go around. I might end up with a bit of a draw on that day, and even then it's not overloading the system because I'm just not that much stuff. I'm doing updates. I'm walking between here, and here, and turning them on and hitting update. Hell, half the time they're done updating before I get to the last one. The first one's done before I get to the last one to turn it on. So yeah, I'm not trying to pretend I need something super fast. I don't. And hearing all these people over there talking in the Philippines about, they're getting, all these fast super speeds and testing out and getting hundreds and 200s. Yeah. Maybe if you are in a hurry, that's something you got to worry about. But why is anybody in a hurry? I mean, seriously, it's a video. You're putting it on the internet. You upload it. Well, it's not like you're set and bound by time. Again, time, a group concept of which none of us were a member of the group that conceived it. So why are we bound by somebody else's ideas and conceptions as to what it is when they can't even make up their mind how long it is And they keep changing it. Add a day, take a day, skip a day. Hang on, we're spinning this much slower. We're spinning this much faster. We got to adjust. So, what is a second? What is a minute? What is an hour? A group concept of which I was not a member of the group that conceived it, so why should I be bound by somebody else's ideas? Time. Yeah. It's all that fun stuff. Anyway, I'm going to take that this is actually recorded and has volume. I'm hoping it does. Otherwise, I just wasted 11 minutes, 12 minutes by the time I'm done here. Yeah. Time. Why are we in such a big hurry about all this stuff? I just don't get it. Maybe I'm already into old man mode and I'm just puttering along, being all quiet, slow, and taking my moment. Lord knows I used to run a lot faster. Anyway, this is William Williams Philippines. If you liked it, come on, subscribe, come along for the ride, the chat, the talk, whatever. Lots of food, lots of friends, lots of family, and some more food. This is Fish, and hey, Fish is out.